Good morning, my beautiful friends. It's a gloomy / overcast day in Austin, and we're doing a what I eat in a day video. I'm gonna start off my morning with one of my favorite breakfasts that I try to limit myself to once a week because it's not that healthy and it's not that point friendly, but honestly, I don't care. It's so worth it once a week, and it is something I always look forward to, and that is my Glutino English muffin, butter and jelly breakfast. I love it so much. I look forward to it, and I'm excited. Today's the day. So let's get that started because I always wake up hungry. It's about 12 o'clock and I'm ready to have lunch. I am so hungry again, and I am really excited because this is my second time eating the gnocchi, cauliflower gnocchi recipe that I created, and I made a meal prep on it, cauliflower substitutes or something like that. Anyway, I'll put the link in the description bar below, and I'll make a little pop-up. There's like these little eye dates, and you can click on that. It should like go across the screen. So that's what I'm gonna eat for lunch. I'm really excited. It's so yummy. I'm gonna have a little iced tea, and then I'm gonna upload 2 new videos. So I'm really excited about that. So I've got what's left of my iced tea in here, and I'm gonna take it on the road because I have to run 2 quick errands, go to the bank, and go grocery shopping. I might film a haul of like what I get on my grocery list, but I shop for 2 weeks at a time, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be just like too much information. So if that's something you're interested in, please put that in the comments below so I know that's content that you're looking to see. Hi everyone, so I'm in my car. I'm about to go into the grocery store, but I had the craziest thing happen in the bank, or not the craziest, but very bizarre. There was this guy there, it's like the middle of the afternoon on a weekday because I took the day off, so no one's like, it's not a busy day out. It's just me and some other guy at the bank and then the 2 tellers. Well, apparently one of the bank computers wasn't working, or it wasn't giving this guy the information he wanted. And next thing I know, he's like, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drive over to the hardware store over there, and I'm gonna take a hammer and smash your computer. And if you could see my eyes, I was like, okay. I was like, how do I get out of this or pretend it's not happening so that this ends as quickly and calmly and I can get out of here as soon as possible? And he said it twice, which was extra creepy. And I just had a new heart for people that work at banks. Like, God bless you guys, because you deal with some interesting customers. That's all I'll say. Now I'm gonna head in and get my groceries.
Push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right.
It's 4:30. I just got back from the grocery store and I am pooped. Oh my gosh. That took way longer than I thought, but I did get some really good stuff, stayed within my budget, so I'm happy with the way things turned out. I'm gonna put the groceries away and then I'm gonna get a snack because I am hungry. I'm also going to fill up my water bottle. I've probably had 3 of these today, maybe 4, and they're 16.5 ounces, so not great as far as water is concerned. I'm gonna drink another one now and get back to you when I pull together a snack. Unpacking my groceries took a minute, and then I ended up deciding to meal prep just because I want to get that done and over with before the day is over. And I am gonna have something I already have prepped. It's my buffalo chicken with peppers and onions, and this one also has 2 servings of Amy's gluten-free, dairy-free mac and cheese. If you watch my prep video, I split up the macaroni and cheese into 3 containers, but then I moved it back over 2 servings to 1 because I wanted to have more quesadillas. So I'm gonna eat the macaroni and cheese and the buffalo chicken. That's gonna take me 1 point over, so it's gonna take a weekly point, which is fine because it's a Monday, and some days I eat over and some days I eat under, and that's totally cool. I don't care. So yeah, I'm about to eat that because I'm so hungry and it's so good, so I'm really excited. Today is a cup of decaf coffee. I like to have one every day at the end of the night. It's just yummy and sweet and warm and comforting, and I really enjoy it. And this mug is of Tucker's face. It was a birthday gift from Matt, my boyfriend, and so it's my favorite mug. It makes me so happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. If you like it, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Wednesday, and I also have a plus episode every week, which I haven't decided on a specific day yet, so you can put that in the comments below what suggestions you have or other suggestions of content you'd like to see. Also, if you'd like to keep up to date with any videos I post, just subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button to keep up to date with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye!